Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, George. So I've been wanting to put insulation in the shed for a few years now. It's been 8 years since I built the shed and finally picked up some 4x8 sheets here of R5 rated insulation board. Now the board here is 3/4 inch. You got a radiant barrier on both sides, reflective material there. And we're basically gonna cut it in strips. I got the square here and I'm gonna use my utility knife. And we're going to cut down some sections about 22 to 22.5 inches, which is the inside diameter between the rafters. Now, I built the shed alone, so some of the things might not be exactly perfect, but they're close. And we're going to pop the sections up on there. And then later on, I want to get my infrared camera and see the difference on plain OSB and shingles versus the 3/4 inch R5 under the OSB and see how much difference it makes. So we're going to cut some sections out, we're going to pop them in place, and then see what the results are. Alright guys, so this is a section, and I'm going with a plain silver cutter down. As you can see, the fit's pretty snug on there. But I do have this 1/2 inch plywood on both sides here. So I'm gonna have to do some notches. About 3 inches. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some screws here on the bottom. That way it doesn't fall, and then I'll come back later on and seal this with caulking or some kind of sealant. I got some of this tape here. It's used on the air conditioner, air ducts, and stuff like that. It's also like a foil there with tape. I'm gonna get a small little section there of foam. Probably won't help much, but stick it in there. I'm gonna cut this off because it's a little bit off center. That's basically what I'm doing on all the joints. Alright guys, so I know I just put the section there. It's reading 103, 96 over here. Now these are the 2x6s. The heat does go through the wood there. And there's a section next to it. As you can see, 127, 28, 129, 30, 32. So far we're at 132, and yesterday I think I went up to about 149 or so, and we're not even noon right now. It's probably about 11:30 in the morning, but I'm going to continue and keep you updated. Alright guys, so here's a close-up. Here's the tape, and you can come in here and put staples if you want, if you're scared it's going to come apart. Here's the little screws, you know, they're actually not even touching the insulation there, just holding things in place. And you can come back here, like I said, seal it off with a silicone or caulking or some kind of glue. And that's what we have here. Here on the top, both sections are next to each other and sealed off again. Hey guys, check this out. I got some Amazon gift cards. 2 of them are blank and 2 of them have names on the back. So one of them goes out to A Hill. The other one goes out to Jay's Crazy Cuts. I'll be sending these in, and I'll have 2 more that I'll probably add on my next video. So stay tuned, and like I said, thank you for your support, comments, sharing, and liking. So let's get to it. Alright guys, here's another update. And we still have maybe about 4 feet to go. And sorry about that. We're peaking at 142. At 142 there. So we'll see how hot it gets. That's the last section I have to do, and I'm just sealing here on the back side. I'm actually closing up that gap there. Put about 4 inches of insulation. Alright guys, so the insulation is done. I spent about $150, and that's for the top part. I still got the back wall there to do, and I don't know if I'm going to use 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, or if I might go with a different kind of material. But for right now, the project is complete. I got all the joints taped up, and it does feel a bit cooler in here, but it's still a bit warm. I haven't heard the air conditioner cut off, but we are in South Texas. It's very hot, and I got a shingle roof, which gets real hot. It's a dark color as well. But other than that, things look pretty good. As you can see there, I got my light. You know, looks pretty decent. So see you on the next video, guys. Any questions, let me know below. Comment, share, subscribe. If I can help, I'll help out. And see you on the next video. Bye bye.